Imagine getting invited to a Google office, learning Gen AI for free, getting certificates, goodies, and even cash rewards. Sounds crazy, right? But this is actually real, and the deadline is very close. In this video, I'll explain everything about this Google Gen AI Academy, who can apply, what you'll get, and how you can register step by step. So make sure you're watching the video till end. Channel, I bring you latest opportunities, internships, and career updates. So make sure you stay tuned.
And also subscribe my channel if you want this kind of opportunities. So if you're new here, you can just explore my channel, the videos which I did, and you can apply for them and on the notification bell for the latest updates. And recently I have uploaded about the internship from Infosys. You can register to it. The last date is March 31, so register before it. And also I have explained about a software job where you need to do internship for 3 months. After that you will get the job. So here are the details. You can just check out that video and you can apply for it.
Called the Google Gen AI Academy APAC edition. It is completely free, open for college students, working professionals, startup and freelancers. And yes, you can actually visit Google offices and attend sessions. Now let's see why you should participate in this. So because you'll get the platform access, like you can get access to hands-on code labs, Google Skill Lab on the Google Skills, and you'll get access to all this at no cost. You'll get mentorship and networking. You can like get mentorship from the Google experts. And so here you can see you can get access to live and on-demand workshops led by Google Cloud engineers and industry experts, along with MCQs to reinforce learning. Collaborate with You will be collaborating with the mentors and fellow developers. So you'll get certificates, cash rewards, and graduation recognition. So you'll get completion certificates as you progress through the cohort, and you'll get cash rewards up to $10K per cohort. There will be total of 3 cohorts, and per each cohort you will get $10K cash prize, and you'll receive exclusive goodies and will be facilitated during the graduation ceremony after the cohort's completion. That is, you'll get graduation recognition and project showcase and regional visibility. Each cohort includes hackathon where participants build and showcase solution based on their selected tracks, evaluated by a panel of judges and industry experts, gaining recognition at a regional scale. So you will be showcasing your project. So in this cohort, you will be building project and you will be showcasing it, and this will be judged by the industry experts. And you will get access to Google developer events, and you'll get access to alumni network. Like participants may receive invitations to exclusive Google developer events and community initiatives, along with a golden opportunity to become part of the alumni network. So you'll be part of alumni of Google. So this is a wonderful opportunity, right? So here is the overall timeline of this. So there will be total of 3 cohorts and there will be a grand hackathon. So cohort 1 is from Jan to April. So here you can see the objective of this this event is to enable developers to build, connect and migrate AI powered applications using modern cloud infrastructure and gain hands-on learning on real world projects or scalable. And what you will be doing in these 3 hackathons, there will be workshops. So in the workshops you can learn from Google cloud experts. They will give a structured learning which will focus on real world cases, core concept and practical implementation of generative AI and cloud native technology. So we'll be discussing about this topic. They'll be mainly explaining about generative AI. So next in Code Lab, what you'll be doing is, so in the workshop, which you learn, like you will learn about generative AI or some other technologies, you'll be applying in this level. So you will apply your learning through guided hands-on code labs that help you build, deploy, and integrate AI solution using enterprise-grade Google Cloud tools. You'll be using tools and all. Then Google Skills. This will be optional. You'll be have you'll be having access to optional labs on Google Skills to deepen your understanding, experiment further, and enhance hands-on proficiency beyond the core curriculum. So this will be basically the optional thing. You may learn or you may not learn. So you'll be getting in-depth knowledge on Google Skills and all. Then you'll be having MCQ assessment also, like it will be validating your conceptual understanding through MCQ, like the things which you learned in workshops and the practical thing which you did in code labs. This will be tested here. Mostly they'll test your conceptual knowledge, that is a theoretical knowledge. After the MCQ assessment, you will be having project submission, and you'll in this you'll be building the project by both applying the conceptual knowledge as well as the practical knowledge which you gained from your code lab. By using both the conceptual knowledge and practical knowledge, you'll be building the project. So you can see here, demonstrate apply learning by building and submitting the track aligned project. They'll give the deadlines and everything. They'll be keep tracking your project and showcasing your ability to implement practical production ready AI solution. The next one is cohort hackathon. This will be your final stage. Form your team and work on common problem statement. You'll be forming a team and you'll be working on a common problem statement. So this hackathon is mainly focusing to solve the real world challenges using Google Cloud technologies. So you'll be picking a problem statement, which is a real world, and you'll be solving it, the thing in which you learn throughout the cohorts, like from the workshop you learn something about generative AI, and in code labs you did practical hands on that. So by applying both of them, you'll be solving real world challenges. So here you can see the cohort one will be between Jan to April, so still you have 1 month to complete these. And cohort 2 April to June you'll have, and cohort 3 July to September, and grand hackathon will be October to December. In the grand hackathon, you can see the grand hackathon brings together top performers from all cohorts and new challenges across APLC on a single stage. Teams tackle high impact real world AI problems using Google Cloud technologies. Next, you can see the participant journey. Like first, you need to register, you need to choose your track, attend workshops, participate in the cohort hackathon, academic project submission, MCQ assessment, explore Google skills, complete code labs. So these are the rewards which you'll get. $10,000 in cash prizes per cohort, and Gen AI master certificate exclusive goodies, graduation ceremony, Gen AI Elite Club alumni network. Already I said you right. So now let's see how to register. And before moving to the registration process, if you're finding this video helpful, do like, hype and share with your friends. So click on register now. So here you need to fill your personal details about college and all. After that, and you need to fill your details about college, state, city and all. And about the college you need to fill, and GitHub profile, LinkedIn profiles you need to give here, and then click on register now. You must tick these all three. Click on register now, then click on proceed. So this page will be open. You can join their Discord community and contact many developers, or you can chat with many peoples there, like related to this. You can ask the questions related to it. You can just create account from here. You can see the roadmap here. You need to complete this. So you can follow the steps. Google skill is optional. It's up to you. If you want to complete, you can complete that one. So if you click here, you can find the challenges here. From this three, you need to select one track out of this, and you need to complete this track. And if you select track one, then from the quiz also you need to select track one quiz. You can click on take quiz and you can take the quiz. So once you can explore and check like what you need to do, how to do, and you can check from here. You can just explore these ones, and in the next video I'll be explaining in detail like how to do this and how to submit the quizzes. So stay tuned for it. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.